as I already concluded my previous video up to the topic that is called stock and flow. Today I'm going to start circular flow of income. This is the next topic after the stock and flow. Students, पिछला कुछ पढ़े थे? समझ में आया था? I circular. Circular as the meaning is unending. As the meaning is unending. Circular means what? Unending production process. Means unending production process of income. Means as we are having three phases, production, income and expenditure, it means it will flow like this: production, income and expenditure. Now the question is, why it is unending? The question is there, why it is unending? Because we are human. Every day we are demanding something. We are expecting something. We are producing something. Why we are producing? To generate income. Why we are generating income? Just for their own consumption expenditure. So this three process continuously move. So the circular flow is what? The circular flow is unending. Unending. Very tough. Generally, how many factors we are having? Factors of production: land, labor, capital, enterprises. Land, labor, capital, enterprises. Land in return gets rent. Land in return gets rent. Land, after that labor. Labor in return, they should get a compensation. That is, compensation is what? Labor should get a wages or salary. Land, labor, capital. Capital must get interest. Must get interest. And enterprises. And enterprises. Enterprises must be in a profit. So these are the factors of production. Now, come to the different sectors in the circular flow. How many sectors? Basically 4 sectors. Production sector, household sector, household sector, then government sector, then after rest of the world, the production sector we can call it the firm sector also. Firm sector भी इसको बोल सकते हैं. This can be production sector or the firm sector. Production is basically the firm. What is this firm? A unit of industry. A unit of industry. What is industry? Industry is a group of firms, smaller firms. That is, group of firms is called industry, and the firm sector or the industrial sector can be considered in a circular flow is called production sector, where production is possible, and production is the continuous process. As human beings, all the time something we demand something. So we need what? We need some kind of goods. And the goods are demanded by the household sector, the most important sector. The demand is by the household sector. Why? Because the people are working in a firm sector and those people are belongs to this sector. That is called household sector. कौन काम कर रहा है? Household sector के लोग काम कर रहे हैं firm sector में. Household sector के लोग काम कर रहे हैं firm sector में. और firm sector क्यों काम कर रहा है? तो household sector के लिए काम कर रहा है. अब government sector. Government sector is what? Government sector is basically for the smooth functioning of the circular flow. Smooth function. And this government sector is connected to the rest of the world. Means basically all the sectors are connected. But from one country to another, the government is represented. Government of one country, government of the next country, and the rest of the world, in short, we can call ROW. So these are the 4 different sectors in the circular flow. Now come to the heading, types of circular flow of income. It is connected with the previous one. I already discussed what? क्या बता दिया मैंने? Sectors. Sectors बताए कितने sector होते हैं? Production sector, household sector और क्या? Government sector and rest of the world. 4 sector होते हैं. And after that, types of circular flow of income. Types of circular flow of income. Basically 2 types. Circular flow of income are of 2 types. Number 1, real flow. Real flow. And second is money flow. Money flow. These are the 2 types of circular flow of income. Now, real flow is what? Real flow is from, ये तो बिल्कुल तय है कि हर कोई को काम करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक सेक्टर काम नहीं करेगा तो दूसरे सेक्टर का काम चल जाएगा. नहीं, सभी सेक्टर्स को इक्वली परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा. हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर एंड फर्म सेक्टर मस्ट गिव समथिंग एंड टेक समथिंग. आपको देना है. और फर्म सेक्टर आपको क्या देगा? फर्म सेक्टर गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज देगा. गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. गुड्स देगा फर्म सेक्टर. और फॉर हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर क्या देगा? हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर सर्विसेज देगा. आ रहा है समझ में? तो आपको कुछ प्रोड्यूस करना है तो बदले में आपको सर्विस भी देना है. वैसे ही आपका मनी फ्लो है. मनी फ्लो क्या है? गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज हो गया तो ये रियल फ्लो हो गया. नाउ मनी फ्लो क्या है? इफ हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर इज टेकिंग गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज तो हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर को देना पड़ेगा क्या? पेमेंट फॉर द गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. पेमेंट फॉर द गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. They have to, because nothing is free in this world. कुछ फ्री थोड़ी मिलता है. कुछ काम करना पड़ता है. Everything is reciprocal. Everything is reciprocal. आपको कुछ रेसिप्रोकेट करना पड़ेगा. मीन्स आप कुछ खरीद रहे हैं तो फ्री में कुछ मिलता है? फ्री में तो कुछ नहीं मिलता है. तो आपको बदले में क्या देना पड़ेगा? मनी. तो मनी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट? मनी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पेमेंट बोल सकते हैं या प्राइस ऑफ द गुड्स भी बोल सकते हैं. और इनको भी देना पड़ेगा हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर्स में. हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर के लोग यहाँ फॉर्म सेक्टर में क्या काम कर रहे हैं तो फॉर्म सेक्टर को भी हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर को देना पड़ेगा पेमेंट. अगर लेबर काम कर रहा है तो लेबर को देना पड़ेगा वेजेस. देना ही पड़ेगा. देना ही पड़ेगा. सो रियल फ्लो इज बेसिकली रिलेटेड विद द गुड्स. रियल फ्लो इज बेसिकली रिलेटेड विद द गुड्स एंड मनी फ्लो. मनी फ्लो इज रिलेटेड विद द मनी in the form of monetary flow. In the form of money बहुत easy है. Nothing is free. So subject ही ऐसा है अर्थव्यवस्था. Economics. The subject starts with money, circulate with money, work with money, and channelize with money. Means every sector, every flow is related to money. Now, students, one small topic is left. That is called injection and leakage. Injection and leakages. What is injection? It's not a biological injection. You know, it's not a biological injection. It's an economical injection. Means you have to add something. Add. And leakage, withdraw. Money we are withdrawing. Money we are withdrawing. Introduction of money in the circular flow. Introduction of money in the circular flow is called injection. And withdrawal of money from the circular flow is called leakages. Withdrawal of money. Withdraw करने से समझते हैं? Money withdraw किया. कितने लोग बैंक गए हैं यहाँ पे? बैंक गए हैं कभी? Withdraw किया है पैसा? Parents का ही कभी करेंगे. When you earn, you will also withdraw. You will also earn. Definitely you will earn. But here the economical injection is introduction of money in the circular flow, and leakages is what? Withdrawal of money from the circular flow. That's पैसे का विड्रॉ करना, इसको बोलते हैं लीकेजेस. नाउ what is this actually? Why we all are discussing this injection and leakages? Why we are discussing? We have to do something. Sometimes we talk about investment. Sometimes we talk about their saving. Many things. Yes. Sometimes what? Sometimes we are doing related to the word injection. Sometimes we are doing the word leakages. So जरूरी नहीं कि circular flow में money equally circulate हो. It's not necessary. It is depending on the situation. Right now the situation is very difficult. Economical depression or economical problem arises. Nobody knows, but we have to prepare for the unforeseen emergencies. Or this is not in our hand. अपने हाथ में तो है नहीं. But ready रहना चाहिए सबको. क्यों? क्योंकि कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती है क्या? नहीं. इसलिए कोशिश करिए, पढ़िए, अपने टाइम को यूटिलाइज करिए. जो भी वीडियोस दिया जा रहा है स्टूडेंट्स उसको ध्यान से पढ़िए, और क्वेरी हो तो आप लोग क्वेश्चन पुट अप कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू. टेक केयर.